If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicator in TradingView on laptop. Now, on your TradingView application, you will see a indicator above, and then click on that. In here, you will see a list of indicators that you can add in TradingView. So in this case, I'm going to choose the 24-hour volume. So a quick background for the indicator I choose. 24-hour volume shows the total amount of an asset that's been traded in the past 24 hours. Actually, this is a useful in 24/7 markets like crypto when trading because it doesn't pause overnight. And that's it. As you can see here, you'll need to avail first the plan on TradingView in order to add a indicators in your TradingView account. And that's it. That's how you add indicators in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.